Hi, how's everyone today? Today I'm just showing everyone a recipe that it's to build muscle. So I've prepared some spinach. Okay, spinach. And 2 eggs. Okay. Cup of spinach, 2 eggs, and some skewered shrimp that I grilled in the oven. And all of these contribute to muscle tissue function, better function. And by eating this every day, well, other things too, but including these 2 eggs a day or 3, cup of spinach, it'll clean our arteries, clean inflammation, and we will also be improving our cognitive, well, if it's declined, it will boost. You will be able, your brain will be more clear. See, we're not eating bread products all the time with gluten, but we can have some bread, yeah, in the morning, 1 time a day. I love my muffin or my sandwich with cheese and butter. Being from Europe, that's a morning routine. So yeah, after we've put them on the plate, we drizzle with some olive oil. I'm going to avoid my eggs because I like to eat them that way. But yeah, have also 4 tablespoons of olive oil, extra virgin, right here. Sorry, I'll just extra virgin. And then make sure that your bottle is a glass bottle, and that when you store it away, it's dark, in a dark place. Okay, so we have 2 eggs, a cup of spinach, and shrimp. If you don't have shrimp, you could opt for salmon. Yes, okay, eat it 3 times, salmon 3 times a week. Have 2 eggs every day and a cup of spinach. Hope everyone tries it and your